Good evening, Mark here from Mark's Garage. Back in the garage today for a look at some parts that we're getting ready to add to the 2018 Panigale V4s. All right, what we have here in front of us is the Motocorse Billet Aluminum rear suspension linkage. I've got the full set here, all the pieces. We've got the upper and lower shock mount. These will basically go together like this on the bike. Replace cast aluminum pieces, very awesome. I waited to buy these pieces until they had all of them ready. We have the billet aluminum machined suspension rocker, shock rocker. Look at that. Look at the machining on this thing. It's like artwork. Super excited to get all this on here. And then they even have available for purchase suspension dog bones and billet aluminum. Normally that's just a piece of, basically just a piece of aluminum, unsculpted aluminum. Of course they add a little bit of detail work to them with some machining and the logo. A little bit thicker. That's why they include the longer bolts for the dog bones. They're a little bit thicker than the stock ones. You can see here. Very awesome though. Very excited to get this together. I'm going to tear it apart. Got the suspension shock needs to come off. Swing arm needs to come down. So we can install these two bolts right here. Swing arm has to come out of the mounts for that. And we're going to do some titanium hardware too for the shock as well. Maybe these bolts too, but I may want to leave them steel because I don't know. There's just something about using titanium versus something that needs to be steel for the strength. But we'll see. Shouldn't really. I don't think it will matter too much. But I'm definitely going to use the steel for the moving linkages and dog bone. I know titanium's strong, but it also has a little bit different shear properties, I think, than steel. So maybe steel's the way to go. I don't know. I'll let y'all reach out in the comments and tell me what y'all think. Steel or should I replace the bolts with titanium? So have a great night. I hope to get these on here pretty quickly here. It's going to be probably a weekend project. So got to take quite a bit of stuff apart to get to it. And check y'all later. This stuff's available on motocorse.com right now. You can get it in different colors as well too.